Rebuilding yourself is not starting from zero. It's starting from experience. There comes a moment in a woman's life when everything slows down, not because she's weak, but because life demanded more from her. Marriage, motherhood, disappointment, or simply being there for everyone else until she slowly disappeared from her own life. And one day, she looks at herself and quietly wonders, where did I go? Let me say this gently. You are not lost. This is a pause, not your ending. Here are 6 steps to rebuilding yourself again. Step 1. Be honest with yourself. Stop brushing it off. If you feel disconnected, say it. Take, for example, you used to have direction. Now you feel all over the place. That awareness is not weakness. It's your starting point. Step 2. Find your way back to you, not the pressured version, the real you. What did you enjoy? What gave you meaning? What made you feel alive? Start there again. Quietly. Step 3. Build simple structure. You don't need a perfect plan. You need rhythm. Wake up with intention. Write down 1 to 2 things you must do. Show up for them. Small discipline brings back stability. Step 4. Feed your mind again. A woman who is learning is a woman who is rising. Read. Listen. Learn something new. Knowledge rebuilds confidence from within. Step 5. Guard your space. Not every voice deserves access to you. Reduce noise. Step away from comparison. Surround yourself with things that remind you of growth. Step 6. Move even if it's uncomfortable. You may not feel ready. But clarity doesn't come before movement. It comes through it. Rebuilding is quiet work. It won't always look impressive, but it will change you. And one day, you'll look at yourself and realize you didn't just find your way back. You became a stronger version of the woman you once were. If this spoke to you, please subscribe, like, and share it with someone who needs this reminder today.